In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Facebook Marketplace on iPhone in 2026, step by step. To get started, open the Facebook app on your iPhone and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Once you're on the main screen, tap the Marketplace icon in the menu. From there, choose Create New Listing to begin the selling process. Next, you'll need to choose the right listing type. Facebook Marketplace usually gives you a few different options, including item for sale, vehicle for sale, and home for sale or rent. If you're selling a regular product, the best option is item for sale. Choosing the correct category from the beginning helps your listing reach the right buyers. After that, it's time to upload photos of your item. This is one of the most important parts of your listing because good photos can make a big difference. Try to use clear, high-quality images with good lighting and a clean background. It's also a good idea to upload multiple photos that show the item from different angles, along with any important details. This helps buyers feel more confident about what they're viewing. Once your photos are ready, enter the product information. Fill in the title, price, category, condition, description, and availability. Be as accurate and descriptive as possible so buyers know exactly what they're getting. A clear listing can reduce unnecessary questions and help you attract serious buyers more quickly. Now set your location, enter your city or local area, then choose how far away buyers can search from your location. If shipping is available and makes sense for the item you're selling, you can enable that as well. This gives you more flexibility depending on whether you want to sell locally or reach buyers farther away. Before posting, take a moment to review everything. Double check your photos, pricing, and product details to make sure the listing looks complete and accurate. When everything looks good, tap Publish. Once Facebook approves the listing, it will appear in Marketplace for potential buyers to see. After your item is live, keep an eye on your messages. If buyers contact you, respond promptly, answer their questions clearly, and provide extra photos or information if needed. Quick and helpful communication often leads to faster sales. Finally, arrange payment and delivery based on your setup. You might meet locally for pickup, deliver the item yourself, or ship it to the buyer.